The learning goal of this unit is to equip teachers with effective strategies for fostering leadership skills among youths by enabling them to be critical recipients and creators of content. Particularly, teachers prove their ability to promote creativity and independent thinking, as well as foster research skills and collaboration. This video addresses several digital skills and soft skills, such as online research skills, critical thinking, collaboration, and active listening. These skills are crucially important in the context of the Sustainable Development Goals too. The Sustainable Development Goals, SDG, are a call for action to promote prosperity while protecting the planet. They recognize that ending poverty must go hand in hand with strategies that build economic growth and address a range of social needs including education, health, social protection, and job opportunities, while tackling climate change and environmental protection. This video contributes to SDG 4, providing inclusive and equitable quality education, and SDG 10, promoting inclusivity and reducing inequalities within the classroom setting. In this rapidly evolving digital age, it's crucial for teachers to guide their students towards becoming discerning consumers and active producers of information. So, let's delve into some effective strategies that educators can employ to achieve this goal. Firstly, teachers can empower students by encouraging critical thinking. Instead of merely presenting information, you can engage students in thoughtful discussions, challenging them to evaluate and question what they encounter. By fostering a classroom environment that values curiosity and analysis, you can instill the skills needed to navigate the vast sea of information available to young learners. Another way to empower students is by fostering research and collaboration. Teachers can guide students through the process of finding reliable sources, evaluating information for accuracy and bias, and analyzing their findings. Encouraging collaboration among students not only enhances their research skills but also promotes teamwork and peer learning. By providing guidance and support, you can equip students with the tools they need to be critical consumers of content. Furthermore, teachers can foster creativity and independent thinking by encouraging students to become creators of content. Assigning projects that require students to demonstrate their understanding through various mediums, such as presentations, videos, or artwork, allows them to explore their individual strengths and interests. By empowering students to express their ideas and perspectives, you can help cultivate their leadership skills and boost their self-confidence. In today's digital world, digital literacy is paramount. Teachers can empower learners by teaching them how to navigate online platforms responsibly and effectively. This includes educating students on fact-checking, recognizing credible sources, and understanding the implications of online sharing. By equipping students with these skills, teachers enable them to make informed decisions, think critically, and avoid the pitfalls of misinformation. Lastly, teachers can create opportunities for students to engage in debates, discussions, and presentations. These activities promote public speaking, active listening, and the ability to articulate thoughts and opinions. By encouraging respectful dialogue and fostering a safe space for expression, teachers empower students to voice their ideas, learn from diverse perspectives, and develop essential leadership qualities. In conclusion, empowering and equipping learners to be critical recipients and creators of content is crucial for fostering leadership skills among youths. By encouraging critical thinking, fostering research and collaboration, promoting creativity, teaching digital literacy, and providing platforms for active engagement, teachers play a vital role in preparing the leaders of tomorrow. Let's inspire and support our young learners as they navigate the vast landscape of information and become active contributors to society.